In this quick video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods 4 with your Mac computer. Very easy, can be done in only a few seconds. So let's get started right away. First, we need to put the AirPods 4 in pairing mode. So close the case lid, make sure that both of them are inside, then open the case lid. And if you see this light over here flashing white, it means they are in pairing mode. If you do not see that light flashing, blinking, simply double tap on the front of the case here. It should switch to blinking. Okay, great. Set these aside and we need to go on the Mac computer. So keep the lid open with that light flashing, and what we need to do now is to go on the top over here. You see this icon over here? It's like two ovals, one white, one black. Click on it and then you're gonna go and select Bluetooth. Then select Bluetooth preferences. Make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on, and in devices here, go down the list and you should see AirPods. Connect, press on connect. Wait. Here you can enable Siri on your AirPods 4, or maybe if you do not want that, press cancel. I will enable it. Cancel this. And this is it. They will appear on the top of your Bluetooth list and it will say connected. You also have a few small options. If you click the options button right beside that, you'll have the control of the mic here and connect to this Mac. If you want every time they're in your ears to connect to your Mac, if you're in front of it, select automatically. If you want to do it manually every time, just say when last connected. So this is it. This is how you pair your AirPods 4 with your Mac computer. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.